My soul path calculator. So this is a one universal year. If you're in a one personal year, it's like you can't get your foot off of the accelerator of a car. It's really that intense. The people I know who are in a one personal year are having they're having stress, they're having anxiety because their life is moving forward and the world is changing and everything feels fluid and unexpected. And this is part of the rebirth of the world and your own personal rebirth. The souls who agreed to always be in the same cycle as the universe, they definitely are feeling the energy of this intense rebirth time. And they may be struggling with it. They may be feeling, wow, I can't hold on. I need a seatbelt.